Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Alek 4-person inflatable spa hot tub. Let your worries bubble away as you unwind in the total relaxation of the simple spa inflatable hot tub with filter pump and cover. This inflatable hot tub gives you a great value with all the important features for enjoying a relaxing spa experience. Pampering yourself is easier than ever with 100 soothing high-powered jets that give you the ultimate spa experience in relaxing water up to 104 Fahrenheit. Includes insulated cover, filter system, 2 filter cartridges, thermal ground cloth, inflation hose, carry bag, floating chlorine dispenser, and test strip. With the easy-to-replace the filter cartridge and easy button controls, enjoying and maintaining the spa has never been simpler. Product benefits. Ready for water in about 20 minutes. Extra durable construction stands up to plenty of use all season. Provides relaxation at the touch of a button for up to 4 people with the easy-to-use, tilt-adjustable control panel. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.